Hey, everybody. Sorry about that. I didn't know I was live. I didn't hear the music or anything. Sorry about that. Hey, everybody. How are you? Hope everybody had a great day here today. I'm sorry I didn't hear the music or anything. How's everybody doing? Let me get my glasses because low. Base hits. How are you? How's everybody? All right. Slightly green. How are you? The Luke. How are you? The Luke. Sorry, I didn't hear the phone. I mean, I didn't hear the music going on, so I didn't even know we were live. Yes, sir. Anybody hear me now? Hey, junk man. Um, I want to say hello to Waldo. Waldo here. Waldo, Rod Trades. How are you, Johnny Doe? How are you, Johnny? Dime was here. Somebody new there. Okay. Barbie, how are you, Barbie? David, J. William Jordan. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, junk man. Queen of Trades. There you go. Get in there. Apple. Oh boy. Oof. What a day. What a day. David, JM, Mazdaf, Jeff, how are you? J Dubs. What's going on, J Dubs? It's somebody. How are you? Miss K. Spectre Trading, Pelong, Oam, Deo. And they're off at Belmont. All right. All right, I'm going to take along here if they get down to the 35 to 75 range. These 15-minute time frames look like they want to set up here for longs. Let me see my charts. I don't know what the hell's going on here. All right, well, let's get down to here. 82. I think it's going to be kind of quiet. I can't believe Argentina came back and won that. Oof. That's unbelievable. Piolta, how are you? Donald, how are you? Mr. X is in the house. Mr. X is in the house. All right. Yes, sir. Very quiet here. Hi, Vanessa. How are you? All right, if this NASDAQ gets down to the 50 to 85 range, I look to buy it. Oh, my God. It's taking off here. S&Ps pushed up here. Oh, there they go. Up, and away. There they go. Buy. Right? Everything's way up. Look at this. 82 to this ripped here. S&Ps pushed up here. We got the 30s and 60s. What'd you guys do in the neighborhood?
Remember, it's the wrong house.
Oh my God, is that what happened now?
I don't know.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my God. You guys you went to the wrong house and put the key in the door, and that's why the cops are there now.
We tried to put the key.
Oh my God. Short everything. Oh my God.
Yeah.
If the NASDAQ gets up to the 45 range, 45 to 80, I'd take a scalp short here. Oh my God. What's up, Rick Plant? What's going on? These guys went to the wrong house. The juicy bag. I can't believe I missed this. I was 75. I saw the oversold condition there. There you go, Lauren. 30,000. I don't know, Baba. You're long the NASDAQ? Steven, what's going on, Baba? Let's see here. Let's see here. How could you guys go to the wrong house? Now there's 19 cops in the neighborhood looking for you guys. All right, the Ring doorbell. Look the cover below 35 if you're short. 35 here. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's 17. There's 20 on the NASDAQ. What a short. What a short. Wow, what a short. Brooklyn, what's going on? Hey, Jay Reardon, you never texted me last night. You guys were doing. We go to Miller's Sports Bar, right, to watch the Argentina game. I got there late. The game was over. These guys are eating. I said, listen, I'm gonna go see my son. I had to lock the door because Henny's home, right? And next thing I know, I give him one of these knuckleheads the key, and they went to the wrong house and they're putting the key in. No wonder the cops are in the neighborhood. I can't get that. You guys, I live there. These guys are crazy. You're wanted. Wanted, dead or alive. They went to somebody else's house.
Only 2 down. Come on now.
It's not the point. It doesn't matter.
We're all in it.
Oh, forget it.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well,
Everyone liked the stream here. Hey, Tris Trading. How are you? Vanessa Moonboy. Put him in the bathroom. Hey, Bobby. Put him in the bathroom, Bobby. All right. How far are you from Tiger Woods? About 12 minutes from Jupiter Island. Not far. Yep, they went to the wrong house. Can you believe it? They went to the wrong house. Who does that?
Everyone's.
Oh my God, you guys. That's it. You're famous now. If you short him again here, I go 45 up to 80, 85. Mamalukes. That's right, Jay Reardon. Mamalukes. They're a bunch of Mamalukes, right? Oh my God. Hey, Trucker Tom, what's going on, brother? No, wrong room, wrong floor. I can see in Vegas, Mikey Jacques, but not the wrong house. So high here in LA. SK Isaac, when are you going to come visit me? Jay Reardon, you'll be in Florida Friday, Trucker Tom? Give me a call. 914-500-7484. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry to wake me. Oh, Scott Cunningham, that was you tonight when you called me? Oh, my God. Is that you from the UK? Hey, Miss Valerie. Scott, is that you? I was laying down before the stream. I'll call you. Can I call you in the morning? Do you mind? Right. I'm sorry about that. I was like, who's calling me at 7:30? I was laying down. I was just about to get up.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Okay, I'll cancel that offer. Just dropped another. Well, to hit 44. Hey, Cranks. Benu, how are you? Who's this? Crucitor. Ethan, how are you, Vanessa? Johnny Fonz. Power nap before the kabooshin. Yes, sir. The power nap. Christopher Pac-Man. Can you send me the artwork for the kaboom and the kabooshed front and back? Do you have that? I'm gonna try to get some pricing for these shirts. I think the first guy was a little pretty high, so if you can do that for me when you get a chance. All right. What's it? Today's Wednesday. 2 more days till Skinnerd, front row. I can't wait. Hey, thank you, Forex Elite. Thank you, Christopher. Yes, I'm live. Bear Trader. Okay, let's see if we get one more push up here. Oh boy, really quiet compared to what's today? Wednesday, Monday night? We did 700 points almost. Good stuff as always. Thank you, Trucker Tom. Skinnerd, the Wolf Full Port. How are you, Wolf? A lot of new people here. Ramal, how are you? Vixie. Chicken Trader. Again, let's cancel that short. S&P's new highs. What a long, right before we got in here. Damn. What a beautiful bull flag. So I want to show you something here. So today, let me just show this to you here. The 30-minute time frame on the spiders reverse to buy here. And then look at this beautiful bear flag on the NASDAQ here. Look at this, 742. Got absolutely kabooshed here, about 160 points right here, right on the NASDAQ. I called this long off the 15s and 30s being deeply oversold. And then they got this long now. I never expected a rally from 397, about 300 points here, okay? I did expect a rally of like 80 to 150, but not 300. But that's to show you how deeply oversold they were. Bear flag, push down here. But here, let me show you the spiders really quickly. This is really where the spiders reversing to buy here. On the 30, it correlated with the 60-minute time frame right here. You can see you got the deep oversold condition on the 60. Then when the 30 got deeply oversold here, this is why the S&Ps went from 73 all the way up here. You can see the rally of about 40 points on the, actually more, about 47 points, right? And then what happened after there was when the 15-minute time frame reversed to buy here, okay, then I caught this beautiful long right here at the end of the day, 77.53, and look at them rally. They rallied roughly about 15, 16 points. Again, using the underlying ETFs is very important, especially when you're trading in the U.S. markets. So, I want people to realize and understand that it's very, very important that when you're trading the markets, that you really understand and comprehend that you could trade the continuous contracts at night, right, during the Asia session and during the London session, but during the US session, you really need to look at what? The underlying ETFs, okay? You really need that, all right? You really need that. Okay. Wow, what a short. Steven, you got that short on that bear flag today? That was a monster short. Monster, MONSTA. All right. Gold. If this gold gets down to the 54 and a half, 60 and a half range, you probably could take a long here. The 30s and 60s getting oversold here, so you may get one more push up here. That was a monster bear flag. And then on top of that, okay, if you look at the Qs on the 60-minute time frame, you can see how the Qs right here, okay, got this overbought condition into these negative. Let me see if I can make this bigger here. I can make this a little bit bigger. The 60 minutes, you can see. Let me see if I can move this up. That's it, right. All right. You can see the push up here into the negative MACDs here. This was a absolute Picasso. Today, when they pushed up here, you can see the non-confirmations here on the new highs. Really very powerful. All right, if the NASDAQ gets up to the 50, 55, up to 85, 90, I'd take a scalp short. Weekly pivot, 729. Do we need to get there, though? Okay, we'll see. All right. All right, let's see here. 55, 52. Look to cover between the below 50 here. Lower your stops. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh, wow. Are you trading? Let's go.
I'm getting off funny.
What are you doing? Let's go.
Getting off funny.
What?
I was gonna get my money.
You're not set up yet?
No, mine.
Oh my God! Look at his drop.
This is the action.
Look at his act. Look at this. 30 points. JD, come on, Baba.
Right in there.
Let's go,
Right
man.
in it.
I mean,
I can do that.
come on. You gotta know. You gotta know when to. You gotta every minute. I mean, we're not here till midnight. You know, it's 2 hours to learn, right?
The fives are.
No, the
Yeah.
point is you're making new highs. The 60s are non-confirming, right? Look at the
Right.
60s
Yeah.
on the
I
NASDAQ
got you.
futures. Look at this. 40 points. 40 points. 40 points. I say the day's over.
Shit.
Oh my God, 40 points. Did you see that short? Now, gold, if you bought the gold, it just shot up to 62, 64, I'd be out. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is some short. Solomon Moss. What's up, Baba? You actually been two minis and made an instant. Well, that's good, man. That's good. Get out to Johnny Walker. That's right. Trade the green candles. Frick Francis, what's going on? Gabooshed. Kabooshed. Luke. Where's Luke? Got in at 60. That's a Picasso. That's it. One of those trades like that. 45 points. Done.
Done.
Over.
Over.
OVA. So that made two divergences. One, the fives didn't confirm the high, and the 60-minute MACDs didn't confirm on the Nasdaq futures. Right? Right here? It's right here, JD. Come on.
Yeah.
Let go. Right here. Right? New high non-confirmation. Right. I already know this when I walk in the door. S&Ps, oh my God. The S&Ps just dropped 7. What a cabooshin. Oh my God. If they take out 700, that's 6. Luke, get in there. Where's Waldo? Waldo. Christopher Pac-Man, I would appreciate if you found that for me. Thank you, Christopher. Oh my God, 60 points. Look at anybody short the S&Ps up there? Thank you. S&Ps just got caboose 7. That's the where's the bear? What do you mean reversal? I just called the short. Short the world. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, they're still getting caboosed. That's 2 bear sounds. If it hits 80, if it hits 80, it'd be down 80 points. Where's the bear? I just gave you 2, maybe one more. Oh my God. Scott Cunningham, please tell me to the good Lord that you got short. Oh my God. The bear's calling. That's a cabooshin right there. That's a cabooshin. Where's Waldo? I think Spain's going to win the whole thing, though. I don't know. Argentina or Spain? What do you think? Argentina or Spain? Right? Nice short. Wow, that was beautiful. I don't trade the night session. I trade all day long during the day. Oh, I should trade the night session, though. I'm exhausted, though. You trade SanDisk, Micron, AMD, Qs, Spiders, S&Ps. I'm exhausted. Uh-oh, what happened to my chart? 83. What happened to my chart here? I might do something. Spain. SK Isaac, that was a great job. What is that? Sit on your hands. What's the clicking sound? Nicholas, it's my clock. MU got smoked down 20 and 10. MU? Really? Wow. It's the first What do you mean WikiLeaks? That would be the only mark on you. What does that mean? Can we go long here? Not yet. I gotta watch. 650? What do you mean the only mark on me? 650? I don't understand what that means. Well, you got good strength here. Just ran 20. All right. The overall economy? I think I know I mean, down here, it's booming, even in off season. Every restaurant's packed. You know, hey, Bobby Trades. What a short. I want to send me tonight. Ugh. You got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away. Look at the gold. There goes the gold. There goes the gold off the 15, 30, and 60s. I'd be scaling on any longs on the gold. Hey, my funded futures, I don't know if you saw this or not. They restricted the gold. You guys should get in there. Trade the gold. Anthony from Rhode Island. Very
They
nice to meet you.
unrestricted it.
I said
They
unrestricted.
Yeah.
Yeah, unrestricted it. Yeah, that's a plus. Yes, sir. All right. I was looking for another push down here. Like 75. Hey, Anthony from Rhode Island. How are you? No way. You really do, James Dean? Wow. Tina, pull over. What do I think about the CPI and PPI? I don't know. I think this guy is kind of hawkish, though. I think we get a rate hike. There's a good chance we get a rate hike. Where are you, Brave Day? Where are you, Brave Day? Oh, is Hetty? He went crazy with my daughter. He wouldn't put the leash on him. He's crazy. Ever since he got these shots, he's like not feeling any pain. No, but can you just imagine how much pain this poor dog's been in? Here we go. If you want to take a scalp long here on the NASDAQ, I'm thinking anywhere from the go 40-70 range. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Now you're making new lows. The MACDs are not confirming on the 15 and the 30. So let's just see if this can rip. Gold, anybody get the gold long? Just ran about 5. NASDAQ down 100. No, well, 90 from the highs. This is a cabooshin. Trading consolidation. I know. I feel bad, my Henny. But he's okay now, I think. He has torn ACLs on both knees. Scale out of any longs up here between 70 on the NASDAQ and 78, 80, 75, 80. I'm not really liking this. I'm more of a into the short mode here, to be honest with you. If it gets up to 70 to 80, I'd be scaling out of longs. Not really, well, you know, he's taking a lot of medicines and stuff. Henny, he's a Great Dane Shepherd Lab. Hey, Prince. He's a Great Dane. No, he's home. He's mad at me. I left him home. He lifted his head up like this. Get all mad at me. The thing is, I have to lift him up to get him in the back seat of the car. There you go. There you go. And he's heavy to lift the rear up. Henny's 6. All right. Not the greatest pattern in the world here. All right. Okay, there's the form. Go fill them up. Let's go. Guys, fill them out. Aaron just posted it, so you can sign up for it. Right? Hey, Rod Trades. How are you? Yes, sir. Let's see if they get it pushed down to the 30 to 60 range here. What's the low here? And you can go like 28 to 58. Let's see. I'm still thinking to get one more push up here off these 5 oversold. Ah, Jesus, there it is. There goes the gold right back up. Boom. There it is. Let's see. Black pepper? Really? Black pepper? Sprinkled turmeric, ginger, and black pepper? I didn't know that. I didn't think you were allowed to, that's a, wow, look at him rally here. Just ran 20 off this. Jesus. I didn't know the dogs can have pepper. Hey, Nathan, how are you? You guys sign up?
Yep.
It's in My Fun the Futures TV.
YouTube.
You got to go to YouTube.
YouTube.
Live.
It's okay. Nasdaq, baby. Here we go. Look at the gold. Gold just ran $5.5, $6. Nasdaq. Okay. Scale out anywhere between the 60 and 75 range. Let's see if we get another push up. What a short. That was a classic short. Those 60-minute MACDs are non-confirmed. This is what I was looking at here on the NASDAQ here, right here. You see the 60? You're pushing up into a negative MACD, and you're pushing up when the oscillator is rolling over, right? So where the hell are they going? I think down, right? Covered the short from the 60s. I'll see you in the morning. Wow. Solomon, get in there.
Done and done.
There you go. Hola, Mr. Steve, Loco Montana. There they go, right back up. BD,
Sir.
tell ya. Trade. Let's go. Get acclimated. Start trading. Get engaged. Time is of the essence.
Kids.
You don't live here. You only have a certain period of time. All these things, boom. Right? The link is there. You sign up, boom. Right? Right? How much you up? Gotta be 800. Nick?
Actually 3.
Nick?
I
I'm
went
doing
good.
3.
And
Okay, Nick. Tell me what you did. I'm just curious.
so
Whoa, I didn't call long. Where?
no.
Whoa, look at this long. Whoa. I be out flat here from 57. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Oh my goodness gracious. Go ahead, I'm sorry. Say it again.
I would.
How are you scaling? If I give you a range to short within a 30 or 34 point range, you can't trade the Nasdaq with a 10 handle. You're gonna get stopped out 100% of the time. You understand the animal that's in front of you?
I understand.
Okay, so you're a cop,
Yep.
right? And if they tell you you're going to go into a really, really hard neighborhood, right? Really tough neighborhood, and you better be ready because you don't know if they're going to shoot at you or what. You're prepared, right? Mentally. When you trade the NASDAQ, you have to be so mentally prepared. You can't be trading the NASDAQ, or you can do whatever you want, right? Okay? You should be, you should not be, your ranges can't be tight. If I didn't have one losing trade here tonight, right? So what I'm trying to say is the first thing here was the short right here above 45. Maybe you sold 45s, maybe you didn't. Then it dropped, right? It pushed up here to 58. They dropped, right? Down to 23 or 21. I reshorted it again on the non-confirmation, right? I went 45 or no, I went 55 up to an 85.90, right? And it dropped straight down. I took the scalp long here. I took the long here. So you had literally 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 trades on the Nasdaq. You had 3 shorts and 2 longs that were all right, right? So I'm just talking. I mean, where were you shorting? If I said here, this one right here, 45 to 80, if you can see over my right shoulder. And then here I went 55 to 85.90, right? The high was 58. So, and literally the next bar literally dropped, 60 points. So I'm just trying to understand how you could have lost money on that. And it's not even a fast market right now. That's all. Right? I'm just it was 5 trades. Teach me how to trade. I'm trying to. Damn, that 5-minute candle up stopped me out for the day. I don't even know what he's talking about. Who stopped you out? What? Where were you short from? Oh man. Wow, they're getting kabooshed. Now, if this NASDAQ, let's see if this NASDAQ can get down to the 40. I would go 05 to 45 for a long. You see here, when they pushed up here, right, this 95, this negative MACD, I was thinking more into the 10 bar right here, 05. Damn it. You see that? Especially when the 60s are rolling over. You see that? I, what do you mean, take profit? What happened nonstop? Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you put take profit or let it run and let out when you reverse it to go? You have to see how I trade. I'm so fast. You have no idea. Okay? I don't overthink things. I'm short. They're dropping. I'm covering, lowering stops, or in my head, just keep covering. I was short. Okay, I'll give you an example, right? 2 days ago, I shorted Broadcom. Okay? And the stock, right after the opening drop, I was short AMD, Broadcom, and I missed Micron by 10 cents. Micron dropped 8, Broadcom dropped 6, and AMD was dropping. As they were dropping, I said to my guy, buy Broadcom, just cover the Broadcom. Am I going to blank around for $6? Are you crazy? $6 on whatever amount of shares we were short. Okay? So Broadcom dropped 6. AMD, I'm short. That dropped 4. Eventually dropped 12. Micron, boom, 94.90. I was at 9. The high was 94.80. That dropped 8. So it was like, staggering amount of money just on 2 names. If I had to hit Micron, forget it. Get the bag, right? Are you bananas? Right? Of course. I live and breathe this. This is my safe space. I go out there, it's a jungle. Well, I caught a couple of shorts. You want to see the real short in Apple? Tell me what you see here, Kyle. You tell me what you see here, Kyle. Where are you? What do you see on this bar right there, Kyle? Let me see let me see how good you are, Kyle D. Let me see how good you are, Kyle. Kyle, try to text an answer here if you can. What do you see here, okay, on that high? Kyle. Oh, Kyle. Resistance. Okay, 7 money bag. No. Low ones. No. You made a new high right here, right? 28.73. The price made a new high into a negative MACD. Okay? Kabooshed. And if you look at the 5-minute time frame, which I don't know what the hell's going on here with my charts here. I don't know why these things are not working right here. I don't know. But anyway, when you let me see if I can. But if you make a new high here, the MACD's on the 5. The 5 could not confirm, and you can see here the price made a new high into the negative MACD right here. Right? See that? Okay? That's why it was a monster sell divergence. Okay? On Apple. All right? Get this crazy NASDAQ up here. All right. Look to scale out any longs here between the 38 and 48.50 range. If you get another push up here. Here we go. Okay. That's how you do it, Farmer Mark. How are you? That's how you do it. Okay, Kyle? And that's what I teach. Okay? Luke, get in there. Where's Waldo? You asked me to say hello to Waldo. Where's Waldo? 7 money bags. You understand that? WikiLeaks? You understand that? Okay? Is EMI from Discord? Yes. What's up? I'm watching. Nasdaq's down 130 off the highs. The guy who bought 29,000, what did he buy? 60s? What did he buy? 29,760. He jumped. Maybe. But again, even though we're bullish on both the 15 and the 30s, if the 15s reverse to sell here, you're going to what's called a sell disconnect. And then I think they're going to get kabooshed. Then they rally, and then you short them. Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed. $7. Let's see if we get one more push up here. Kabooshed! Hope you guys kick some of these out at 38. I don't look at volume, Azov, just to be clear. I don't look at volume. All right. Boom! We won the war. Let's see. There you go. Gold right back up. $50 from the 10 bar. Now you see these negative MACDs on the 5s? Man, that was a good one. Damn it. That 95 print into the negative MACD. Oh, yes, sir. There you go. Start scaling out of longs. Right? 38 up to 50 if you're long. Oh my God! What a hope you got! Oh my God! 48. What an out! Oh my! You see how you have to have woofers out there, Nick?
Yes.
Are you out flat?
I'm flat.
Are you up?
No. But
What?
I'm not far from.
I can't hear you. What?
I'm not up, but I'm not far from what I.
Okay. Hey, Barack, how are you? Wow, what a long. Wow, what a long. You think the Nasdaq goes lower? Can I just enjoy the long? Yes, I think it. Well, I don't know yet. The 15s. You're still on the positive buy disconnect on the 15s and 30s. Anybody get that long there? I don't know. I just trade what you see, Wolf. Right? What a long. Are you long? Were you long? It's okay if you weren't. I'm just asking if you
No,
were.
Man, I work.
Sure.
Trade station. Squirrel and that.
All right. So can I ask everybody a question? Why are you yelling? Who's yelling? Made 750 on it. Good job. Can I ask everybody a quick question, please? If everybody there?
No.
Okay, now I'm talking to the community. Okay, I want to. Who's from Florida? Joey Numbers. Joey Numbers. I'm from Jupiter. Come in Manila. Okay. Can I ask anybody a question? Trade Moon. Of course, I'll teach you. Okay. All right. So when you guys are trading prop, and again, I don't trade. Oh my God. Are you guys looking at a level one on the ladders? Okay. CVXCVFV. Are you kidding me? You want to hear me yell? Forget it. You'd be running for the hills. Forex Elite from Pensacola. Okay. Okay. Level 2. Abacoa here, Joey Numbers. I live in Abacoa. Okay. Anybody from Florida, just text me. Jay Reardon, you never called me or texted me. Okay. So when you guys are Tampa, there you go. Rush Panda. Or you guys have to start calling me from Florida. Props only provide level 1. Okay. Key Largo. Wow. Beautiful. God bless. Should have bought it again down there. 2030. Boynton Beach. I'm in Jupiter, henchman. Oh my God. Missed that 30 print. Oh my God, they're going. Look at them go off the 15s. Jesus. That's 30. Oh my God. 68 will be 40. Oh my goodness. Pompano? That's not far. Those of you who live in Florida, you should text me 914-500-7484. Get in there. Oh my God. Anybody get that long down there again? Jesus. 30, 70. Oh, these are oh my God. We won the war. All right. I would short the NASDAQ here if it gets up to 85, 88, up to like 18. All right, if it gets up there against the negative MACDs, I would take a scalp short. Wow. Damn. So how are you guys doing this with level 1? Like, is it so fast where the DOM moves so fast, or is there, can you get level 2 data? I'm just asking because I don't know. Right? I just don't understand when the markets are moving so fast, how you guys, you had to fade the pop there. 79, damn it. All right, I'll cancel the short. Oh, boy, this NASDAQ's on. Look at this thing. Just dropped 17. Yes, you can pay for level 2. All right, when you're trading on the DOM in the prop, in a valuation phase, can you use level 2 data? I just click limit buy and limit sell. Yeah, but Christopher, it's moving so fast. Even I had a hard time doing it on level 1. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's that's saying you could buy it. How do you use level 2 data? How do you I see all the bids and all the offers. And I just go click, 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 click. My middle name is Click Click. Right? I mean, that's when I was trading on my own at times, right? Click Click. You know the person to ask on this is Stephen D. Simone. No, it does not. No, it does not. Because that's not true. That's not true, Brad. Because how do you get average pricing on a chart? Right? I'm telling you, I can't take it. I just missed the short. You don't think level 2 is necessary? I got to call you, Jeff, because I can't. I don't know how anybody can execute on level 1. I couldn't do it. It was just unbelievable. Jesus, look at this pop. Oh my God, I missed this. What is this? 27 ran 50, and then oh my God, then down 30. Gold kabooshed. Yes, sir. Gold was a good short. Jesus, just dropped 8. 4 on the mouse. Exactly. Goodbye, gold. Missed that short there. All right. Oh, brother. All right, if this NASDAQ gets down below 30, maybe like even to 30, I would take another long off the 15s being oversold. Oh my God, gold. Jesus. Probably take a scalp long on gold here. 49.5 to 56.5 range. I still think, I don't know, what's keeping this gold above 4,000? Level 2 has too much information? Oh. I don't know how I don't know how in God's creation you guys can trade that, but that level 2 is like like this. I'm like, oh my God. Yep, there they go. Damn it. Yeah, missed it again. How do you read level 2? It's easy. You got the bids on the left and the offers on the right. Not that
All
hard.
right.
Yes,
Time
sir.
to choose some numbers. We got 324.
Wow, 324 tonight? Wow. We had 250s. All right, number 21. See? Make sure the entire screen. That's how
ZZO
you-
Prime.
See what Jeff said? That's the guy. See that?
What do you say?
Make the
ZZO
entire
Prime.
screen the DOM. Read the DOM. Read, that's it. Nick. Is he here?
I'm looking.
Uh-oh. The internet went down.
You're
Aaron,
good.
you there?
Yep.
Oh, my internet, I think went. I thought it went down.
I think it was just trade station reconnecting. All right. Next, he's here.
He's here. Number 100. 157.
Riles in Texas.
Wow. Riles from Texas?
Riles in Texas.
Oh, Riles in Texas. I'd have never looked at Bookmax. Book map.
Yep. Here, next.
320.
Love MFTV.
Wow. Did he win one? He won
last night.
He won last night too.
Not Love MFTV. It was somebody else, I thought.
No?
I can look
Okay.
at a list, but yeah.
Christopher, I need more screens. Oh my God. Get more screens, Christopher. Get in there.
Yeah, show MFTV. Last
Is he
night.
here?
No, I don't see the Love MFTV.
Oh my God. CVXCFV. It's a great state, and come November, they're doing away with no property taxes.
All right. Next.
Number 300.
Wave Scars.
Wave Scars. These are all new people. How this came out. Sell the gold here above 53.55. It just oh my God, something just came out. We won the war. There it is. Kaboom on the gold. Alice and I live in Jupiter, Florida. And anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Yes. Is he
We
here?
don't see him or what? I don't see him.
Boy, I'm 0 for 2 here. I'm trying to keep the 300s happy. Look at the gold. There it goes. Kaboom. Jennifer, get in there. Next. 270.
270. Whoa. TK, the Aggie Trader.
TK, the Aggie Trader. I cancel the buy. We cancel the buy range at 30. Yeah. TK, the Aggie Trader.
Correct.
Helpful G. I'm not coming to Tampa anytime soon. That's 4 hours away. Where the hell am I going
That's
to
where
Tampa
Ryan
for?
is.
What's going on here? I've never been 0 for 3 yet. You here?
I guess not. TK, the Aggie Trader. Going once. Going twice. Next.
Next. All right, NASDAQ. Here we go. If this NASDAQ gets down to the, I'd say the 95 to 25 range, I would take a buy. Man, 0 for 3. Jesus, Lord. Actually, you can go maybe 95 to 30 on the NASDAQ. Get down to 32.
Any numbers?
Oh, he's not here? Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oh, he said he's here. Somebody said he's here. Okay, no, maybe I'm wrong.
No,
All
I
right.
said next. Remember?
Yep, number 233.
Nathaniel Aldrich, 8815.
Nathaniel, are you here? Oh my God, I've never been 0 for 4 in my life. Good lordy.
Wow. Usually they're pretty quick.
That's not here. What the heck?
Nope. Oh, there he is.
Oh my God, thank God I can't go 0 for 4. You know, in my whole baseball career, I never went 0 for 4 in my life.
All right, there you go.
Oh, Nathaniel.
Back to you.
All right, thank you, sir. All right. Yeah, I never, my baseball career, I never went 0 for 4 in a game. Ever. Ever. EVA. Ever. I think I went 0 for 3, maybe in a season. Well, the season was only like 30 games when I played. Maybe 6 times, 5 times. $32 to $57. You can see the. Let's see. I cancel that. Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Read this. All right. Okay. And share it with everybody. All right. I canceled the buy range. The low was 32. I do think you're going to get one more push down here on the NASDAQ. S&Ps just rallied 2. I think if they can take one more push here. Go, Nick. All right. If you want to take a scalp short only, I was going to say short them at 60 to 90, but I would be very careful. These 15s are turning up, but of course it just got kaboosh 15. So, but again, you can go very careful here. I do think the 5s are going to push down one more time, and then you have to. I would look to take the long. Oh, there it goes. Can't even speak that fast. What was the high?
Come on, click.
68. All right.
That's good stuff.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
I cancel that. I cancel that. Now everything just died. If this gold gets down to the 41.5, 48.5, I think it's a buy. I want to see the Nasdaq get one more. I would cancel the short range there. I think we're gonna get one more push down on the Nasdaq and S&P. Need more of my wisdom? Then text me 914-500-7484. Remember, August 1st of this year, I'm 44 years in the game. Okay, 44 years. I mean, come on. Oh. Very, very quiet. Tomorrow night, Papa Trump's going to talk. Tonight we have TSM's earnings. Gold just exploded. 5. I still think you're going to get one more push down here on the 3. Could take you down to 20. Christopher, I need more screens.
I don't think yeah.
I need more.
I think we need a big.
I need a bigger office. I'm working on. I mean, I had the perfect situation. The lady next door left. I wanted to knock this wall down. They told me no. I said, it's not a supporting beam. I said, no. I said, okay, I'll knock it down. I'll pay to knock it down, and I'll pay to rebuild it. Put it in the contract. They said, no. I said, why? I'm willing to pay the lease. All right? I mean, they said, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
That's exactly what they told me. I think, see, that's why I wanted to short him up there. 68. I said you're going to get one more push down. Just drop 30. Where's Iceman? Iceman in the house? Anybody from Florida, text me. 914-500-7484. Nasdaq gets down to the 90 to 20, 590 to 620. I look to buy them. See if they get the 5s one more time here. What a bear flag. Oh my God, what a bear flag. 68. Boom. Then the push up to 79, I was 85. Jesus. Jessica, get in there, Jessica. Wilson's from Singapore. How are you? Jessica, text me 914-500-7484, Jessica. All right, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. That's why I wanted to short the 68s. Jesus, Lord God. All right, let's just see. Here's 20. Linda NQ, how are you? Where's the bear? What a bear flag. What a bear flag. Good Lord. I would scalp. I would trade it between the 90 and 20, 590 and 620. You know, again, I would just go wide. The reason why is you're deeply oversold here on the 15s. So I'm just hoping you get one more push up here. I have a US mobile. Scale out of any longs here, 20 up to 30. What do you mean? I have a US mobile phone. What are you talking about? Oh, Singapore's. Wow, there they go. There they go. There they go. Wow, nice little long. I want to visit Singapore one day. How to play the semi pullback? How about looking for shorts and longs? There's always long and shorts. Look at the Nasdaq go on the 1 minute. Got up to 31. Wow, 9:15 already? I thought it was like 8:30. Oh my Lord. Oh, here we go. All right. If they get down to the 75 to 05, I'd like to take another long here. Again, the 15s are deeply oversold. Now, if the 15s reverse to sell, you're going to have a sell disconnect, and then you're going to look to short the first bounce on the 5 minute. Okay? But let's just see. We're 8 away. Christopher, you think 555? Ooh. Christopher, you get my text? You see if that's possible? See the power of the MACD here. The power of the MACD here. The negative MACD. The negative MACD. When it pushed up to 79 right here, I was 85, right? You see that bear flag? Overbought into that negative. You could still have a sell divergence and a buy disconnect. You understand me? Buy disconnect. The 15s are bullish. The 30s are bullish. The 60s are bearish, right? So I'm just saying, that's why the strategy is based upon divergences using multiple time frames, okay? There we go, 09. What was the consensus, Spain or Argentina? I think I saw more Spain, right? think Argentina is going to win? The first time since '65. Here we go. 05s. There you go. What a bear flag on the gold. 53. All right, gold just reversed to sell on. I would take a scalp long here on the gold. 38.5 to 45.5. NASDAQ, if you bought 05s, let's look to sell here 10 to 20, 10 to 25. I don't know. They look like they want to get killed. But these 15s are definitely oversold. There you go. If we get one more push up here. Boom! There you go. Boom! Kaboom! Oh my God! Up to 30? 29. There it is. There it is. See how you read that? See? Okay. Where's my MACD here? What's going on with my chart? Oh my God almighty. Oh my goodness. You see the oversold condition? I said, and plus I told you. What I tell you? What was the number one thing I told you? When they made a new low, the MACDs didn't confirm.
Yeah, they didn't confirm.
Did not confirm
Right,
on the 30.
yeah.
Okay? Kaboom! Get in there. That was insane. That was beautiful. Look right back down. Man, sometimes it pays to be lucky. I said 75 to 05. Oh, come on. 1 point you missed it by. All right. That was a good long, right? Back down. Wow, God. Gold just making new lows. This gold's going to 3,600. I'm telling you. Wow. I just got a text from somebody that last night they made over $20,000 trading gold based upon the patterns that I taught them. You know, this gives me the greatest joy. I got to tell you honestly. You know, and I got to tell you, are you planning about SK Hynix? No. But this gives me a really great feeling. You know, and I get this, you know, dozens and dozens and dozens of times during the day and at night, weekends. Forget it. My phone is blown up. And, you know, this is why I love doing what I do. You know, I trade live capital during the day. And Pretty big amount. I mean, just to give you an example, a couple of days ago, I was short an Apple. It got against me. I was down like 30 grand like that. I made it most 95% of it back, but made other things to make up the difference. But, you know, I just want you to know that, um, you know, we're all human, but you have to be disciplined. And discipline has many forms. You know, eating right, mentally working out. You're trading. You have to be like a trained athlete, and I'm just telling you, you know. I mean, I'm 53 years old. I was 53. Oh my God, I wish 63. All right. If they get down here again to the 05, 95, I would go 75 to 05. Um, Gold was great. I would take another scalp long here on the gold. I would go 36 and a half to 42, 42 and a half. Discipline has many factors. Discipline in not over trading. Discipline in hitting discipline comes in not revenge trading, using stops, preservation of capital, knowing when you hit your goal. Do you know when I first started, and the guy that changed my life was Steve Carvelis, and when Steve taught me about this, I would cancel the buy range on Nasdaq, and when he said to me, you know, how to be consistent, and he taught me the art of being consistent. Do you know how hard it was? I'd make $100 in like the first hour, and I stopped. And the guys next to me were like, "Why aren't you trading?" I'm like, "No, I hit my goal." You know what it's like to stop at 10:30 in the morning and then sit there till 4 and see so many other things? But I said, you know what? I'm not going to break rank. I'm going to do this for a week and then bump it up. Then the next week, 200. Then the next week, 300. And in 1991, I made $1.9 million. In 1991. You know how much money that was? Oof. What is that? How much is that? 8 to 1 now? 6 to 1? 5 to 1?
Right.
5? At least 5? Like 10 million. $10 million. All right, I'd look to buy them again here. Again, if you got down to 05s here. Yep, hit the 05 mark. There you go. If you bought them at 05, just scale out above 20. right? Back then when a milli was a milli, you ain't kidding. Right? Anybody from Florida here? Anybody? You guys, anybody? Come in Manila. Anybody from Florida, you should come over and visit. Or give me a holler here. But it's right back down. They're going to break 600 here. If they break 600, that's a bear flag. If they break 600, I'd look to buy them anywhere between like the 65 and 95, or you can go 60 to 90. Hollywood, Florida? Jesus, you're 40 minutes away from me. Nathan, you texted me? I got to look. And he's home. He's all pissed at me. You were in Royal Palm Beach? God knows, are you crazy? And you sold it? You know what it's worth now? NASDAQ, gold, if I would sell gold above 44 if you bought it. Here we go. It's going to break 600, I told you. Oh, Mark, text me, 914-500-7484. So many people. I appreciate it, though. What you up tonight? Okay. NASDAQ, boom! 98, damn it. Oh, man, it's gonna. Oh, wow. 15, 18. Oh, Jesus. All right, I'd cancel it. I was thinking 95, 90, but. All right, so the 15's reversed to sell here. See that? So now you want to look to short any rally because you just lined up with the 60-minute time frame. There goes the gold. Gold just ran 6. Yep.
All right. Time for 3 more.
3 more. Number 51.
All right. Ether Shock.
Ether Shock. Hey, Robin Spinal. How are you from Orlando? Ether Shock. If they get down to the 65.95, S&Ps, if they get down to the 07.12, I'd buy them. Ether Shock. Anybody get long the gold? Ether Shock. Ether Shock. How do you do the giveaways? You have to sign up. Aaron posted. What the hell
Going
name
once.
is this? Huh?
Going twice.
Yushawa Chowder.
Oh, there he is.
He's here. Ether
Yeah,
Shock. Come
lucky.
on, dude. Let's go. What was it? Got to put your running shoes on. Get in there. This guy's got every
All right.
letter in the alphabet.
Next.
Next. Number. How many more we got left? Total 3?
For now, yeah.
Okay. Number 180.
180.
65 to 95 on the NASDAQ.
Danny 5220.
Danny or Denny? Danny?
Danny DANNY.
Danny. Are you there, Danny? Danny.
Yep. Next.
Number 10. Number 10.
SIA Trades.
Hey, SIA Trades. SIA Trades. SIA Trades.
Yep.
He's here.
Yep.
Number
Nope.
250.
That's it.
Oh,
That
I'm
was
sorry.
3.
Oh, I thought you said 4. Sorry.
No, 3.
Okay. All right. If you're long at 95, let's look to scale out of longs between 600 and 610, 615. There you go. Trading cash account or prop?
Props. All right.
What do you do, Nick?
Take a
Okay.
break.
All right. Gold pushing up. Okay, what is he doing?
Yeah, I'm long.
All right. There. Oh, Nelly.
There we go.
There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness gracious! Great balls of fire. Gold just ran S&Ps.
Full.
Oh my goodness. Go baby. Go. 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 Now remember the 15-minute time frames reverse the sell here. Wow. Oh my God, 20. You gave it away.
I did. I should have wrote.
The Kospi's down 7%. Wow. All right. There you go. Wow. What a long. Oh my God. What a long. Jeffrey, get in there. Oh yeah, baby. Sniper, get in there. Kospi down 7%. Did Taiwan Semiconductor come out? If that happens, forget about what's going to happen with the market tomorrow. Oh my God. 30 points like that? Jesus. 40 points up in 3 minutes on a 1-minute bar. I'm not down big. What happens, Miss K? Who gave the finger? Nobody does that to me. Wow, you caught the long mathematics. Good job. Aaron, do you know how many contracts? You're allowed to trade now on gold with my funded futures?
They lifted it, so whatever it was before.
50?
I guess. I gotta look it up.
All right, let's see here. It just dropped here 8. Got to wait a little higher. Here you got the double red short. I'm hoping they get up to 40, 45. All right, gold's got a bear flag setting up here. If gold gets up to 52, 51 and a half, 51, I go 51 up to 58 for the gold short. Here we go. NASDAQ gets up to the 40. I would say it was the 40, 45 up to 80. I would scalp I would take the short. Here we go. All right. If the 5s can start rolling over here, could get a little okay. Let's see if these 5s can, the 3s, the 5s. There goes gold off the long. Oh, look the cover below 30, anywhere between the 20 and 35 range on the NASDAQ if you're short. All right, again, you may get one. Oh, wait till these 5-minute time frames roll over. Oof. There goes the gold, 51. All right. I think this could be the one on the 5-minute. Here we go. Boom. You short the gold, look to cover the gold on the bear flag between 46 and 49. You get one more push down here on the 5-minute. I love Jupiter Beach here. Anybody know where Intel is trading? Anybody? Thank you, John. Jupiter. Oh, kaboosh! There you go, baby. There you go. Kabooshed. There you go. Oh, yeah, there you go, NQ Scalper. Just trading. I told you, see the strategy is that? First bounce on the 5 after the 15's reverse. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? There should be 25,000 people here tonight. 25,000. Where's the bear? Fast. That wasn't fast. You got it. Yes. Thank you, Johnny Fonts. Oh my gosh. What a bear flag. Did you make money on that trade?
Yeah.
How much? 120? So you putzed around for an hour and a half. Okay, you don't putz around when market. You putz around when you have free time, right? I'm just saying.
No, I that was aggravating.
Well,
I couldn't follow your
aggravating you. I was starting to get I was shaking like a leaf.
Yeah,
I couldn't
Gold,
take it.
gold has full contract amounts on
What happened?
for any contract. I said gold only, not silver. Gold.
Gold just dropped on the bear flag.
No, you asked me a question. about for MFFU.
Oh, yes. How many?
So it's not silver, it's only gold. Gold got unrestricted, and it's full contracts like any other ticker.
Was it? Oh, so gold was always 4 or no 4?
I said full contracts. Are you listening or are you on your phone? Okay. SK,
Yeah.
you're not listening to me. You're watching your phone.
No, I'm looking, I'm reading what people are texting me.
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to answer your question you had about gold.
What is it? You said it was
Full
you said it was
contracts.
unrestricted.
I understand. Unrestricted on only gold. Silver has not been.
Oh, yes, I got it. I knew that. Right.
Okay.
But unrestricted meaning you could trade gold on how many contracts?
Full contracts. Full. Like any other ticker. So if you could trade on the 150K, if you could trade, 50 contracts, then you can trade 50 contracts on
I
gold.
got it. Okay.
Doesn't matter. All right, give me some more numbers.
4 numbers. Number 17.
YA Ledger Net.
YA
Ledger Net.
Net. Not here? Oh, he's here. Present.
Yep. Next.
Okay, number 100, I go 132. 132. Short.
Vanessa B.
Vanessa B is in the house. Yes, Vanessa B is in the house. Oh my goodness gracious. Vanessa. Oh, please answer. Oh, please answer. Oh, don't tell me she's not here. Oh, that. Oh, thank you. There you go, Vanessa. See? You won. There you go. Get in there. All right. Number 207. Number 207. Number 207.
Pie trades. Pie trades.
PI?
PI.
Pie trades? Are you
Correct.
here? Oh my God, they're kabooming. Again, if they get up to the 55 to 85, 55 to 85, where you can go, let's see here. You can go maybe, yeah, 50 to 85 or 55 to 85. Short.
No pie trades. Going once. Going twice. Next.
Number 147.
Jubilee Nexus.
Oh, Jubilee Nexus is always here. Jubilee Nexus is always here. Yes, sir. Here's 55. 55 to 85 or 50 to 85. Get this. I'll push down on the fives.
Got it. Next.
He's here.
Next.
Jubilee, he's not here.
Yes, they're here.
Oh, okay. All right, two more. 200, 267.
MSR trades.
MSR trades.
MSR trades.
Wilson Gold, Aaron posts a link. You sign up for it. Okay. Boom. Look to cover NASDAQ anywhere between the 45 and 60 range here if it drops. What are they rallying?
All right, here.
MSR trades is here.
Yep.
And we'll do one more. And that would be number look to cover NASDAQ between 50 and 65 range if it drops here. I would go number, you know what? Let's do 111. I like that number. S&P's right back up.
Rommel J. Rommel J.
Wow, Rommel J is in the house. Yep. Rommel J is in the house.
There he is. All right, congrats,
Rommel
everybody.
J is in the house. Okay, that's a lot of them. There you go. Here we go. Let's see. We get this drop. 55 to 50 to 65 range. Short right here. Fifteens and fives are overbought here. I mean, here we go. Come on, drop. Put the cover anywhere between the 50 and 70 range here. If you're short, depending on where you're short. What's this? Zero stress, no guesswork. Trade with the best tools in the game. What's this? Look at him drop. Look at them drop. There you go. Right? There you go. There you go. That's the way to end it right there. The nice gold short at 51. The nice short here on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Yes. That was a great short. That was a good one. Why? You're long?
No.
Yeah, I call the range 55 to 85. So how are you scaling in? Okay, so you got to tell me, Nick, because I might have to open up this bottle.
We'll pass it around.
Oh, wow. Look at him drop.
Can we go back in time?
Look at that gold drop, $8 there. And anybody would like a 5-day free trial? Thank you, everybody. Danny, Congratulations. Anybody would like a 5-day free trial? Stumbled here by chance. I'm Montanas. Anybody would like a 5-day free trial? Please text me your full name and email, and I will send you the link for a 5-day. Every Monday it goes out. And if anybody would like to give me a holler, okay, well then text me 914-500-7484. And if you're from another country, text me on WhatsApp, and we'll send it out. But again, remember, wow, what the hell was that? All right. So we got about 5 minutes here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What a session tonight. Not one losing trade. Beautiful patterns. Gold. What are you laughing at? Wait, listen, you think you're getting out of this at 10 o'clock. You better get your ears ready here. Okay? You don't know what's coming. Okay? Linda NQ, thank you. Thank you, everybody. JL Trading, congratulations. I think you won tonight, right? Did you win? Vanessa, congratulations. Brave day. There you go. Adam, Adam. EM old boy. Mr. X, thank you very much, everybody. One last night. Oh, there you go. Up 1,100. There you go. God bless you, brother. There you go. I love this game, man. No way. I love this game. I'm telling you. Gotta love this game. Bryce, have a good night, my brother. Jesus. Yes, sir. I want to thank and please watch my podcast. It's please subscribe. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. If they get up to 85 here, 80, 85, up to 15, I would take a short. I just hit 85. I mean, I just saw it just now. They get one more push there. Mikey Jacques, have a great night. Jennifer, the blessing. Thank you. God bless you guys. All right. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 12. Again, the 5s are going to roll over here and get kabooshed. Up, there you go. 65 will be 20. There you go. Have a great night, everybody. Tomorrow, Thursday, remember. Oh, my goodness gracious. You got the short again?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. 20. How much you up? Brian, David T. How much? 1,700. Get in there.
15 on the other.
1,500. That's not 3,200 on 2 accounts. That's not bad for 2 hours of work.
I'm liking this 8.
Don't jinx it. You never talk like that. Ever.
Slow grind
Ever. No, ever. You never. You know I never talked like that in my life. NASDAQ's down 30. All right, before I go, Spain or Argentina? Now remember, tomorrow I'll be on the My Funded Futures 10:30 to 11:30. Oh my God, kaboosh, 30 points. That bounce is the first bounce on the 5-minute after the 15s correlated with the 60s. That's a set strategy right there. Spain, Argentina, 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 Spain. 2, okay, 3, Spain. Oh, I think Spain's going to win. I think Spain's going to win. I do. I think that team's so talented. Great call. Hey, Vaughn. That's right. I want to thank My Funded Futures for this great opportunity, Monday through Thursday. And it really means a lot to me to host this. This was something I came up with about 7-8 years ago when my son and I would be trading the Sunday night and throughout the week. I said, well, come on, turn the computer on. Let's go. Let's trade. And I was teaching them at a young age. And I have so many people from around the world coming to visit me, and people want they want to teach their children. It's really a really great. Oh my goodness gracious! Where's the bear? I got to give one bear here. The bear is alive and well. All right. Whew. All right. All right. All right. So we got 1 minute. Again, I want to thank Matt. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Luke. I want to thank Aaron, of course, and I want to thank all of you, okay, for being here tonight. And gotta just say that S&Ps, if you're short, just look to cover below 15. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow during the 10:30 to 11:30, my friend, the Futures Hour. Also, I'll be here tomorrow night. Have a great night. God bless you, and God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that